If you want to turn off or temporarily hide your hosting a website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to put your WordPress site into maintenance mode and how to enable coming soon mode in hosting a website builder. This is a quick and simple way to stop visitors from seeing a live site while you make changes, update content, or prepare a new launch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Hostinger and the website setup guides. Let's get into it. First, let's cover the WordPress method inside Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger hpanel and go to the website section. Find your WordPress website, then click Manage or Dashboard next to it. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click WordPress, then select Overview. This takes you to the main WordPress management area, where Hostinger lets you control key site settings. Now look for the Core Settings section. Inside that area, you'll see a Maintenance Mode toggle switch. Turn the toggle on and Hostinger will automatically display a maintenance page to anyone trying to visit your website. This is the easiest way to hide your WordPress site while you work behind the scenes. It's useful if you're fixing design issues, updating plugins, changing pages, or doing any kind of redesign. If you want your visitors to see a clean message instead of an unfinished website, this is the option you want. Just remember that maintenance mode is temporary, so when you're ready to bring the site back online, you can return to the same setting and switch it off again. Now, let's move to Hostinger Website Builder. If your site was created with the builder instead of WordPress, the process is a little different, but still very easy. Start by going to Websites in hpanel and clicking Edit Website. This opens the website editor where you can control the pages and live visibility of your site. On the left side of the editor, click Pages and the navigation, or in some layouts, you may see it listed simply as Pages. Scroll down until you find the Other Pages section. Here, you'll see the option to toggle on Coming Soon. Turn that on to hide your website from normal visitors and show a Coming Soon page instead. After enabling it, don't forget the final step. Click Update Website or Publish in the top right corner to make the Coming Soon page live. This is important because the setting won't fully take effect until you publish it. Once that's done, your site will show a Coming Soon screen rather than the full public website. This method is great if your website is still under construction, if you're preparing a relaunch, or if you just want to pause public access while you make edits. It gives you a professional placeholder page so people know the site is being updated. So, to recap quickly, if you're using WordPress on Hostinger, go to WordPress Overview and switch on Maintenance Mode under Core Settings. If you're using Hostinger Website Builder, go to Pages and Navigation, enable Coming Soon under Other Pages, and then publish the update. Those are the two main ways to turn off or hide a Hostinger website depending on the platform you're using. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.